Hi guys, you may have some doubt regarding the anomeric effect operating in spiroketal. So I made another video regarding this. So the anomeric effect is the preferential occupation of electronegative group in axial position. This is called the equilibrium is shifted towards this direction. This is more stable. In general, in case of if it is a cyclohexane derivative, then the equatorial isomer is more stable. But if there is a oxygen or sulfur or phosphorus with with one lone pair of electron in a ring, then the axial isomer is more stable. This is called anomeric effect. So why it is more stable? Because here the OMe group has antibonding orbital in this direction and the oxygen has one lone pair here. This is vacant and this is filled, so it will give into this orbital and a no-bond resonance, that is called hyperconjugation, will operate here. OMe minus. So due to this is more stable. And another reason is also there, that is the dipole moment. Here the dipole moment is operating in this direction and it is here in this direction. So these are in mutually opposite direction, but here it is in this direction, it is in this direction, so these are mutually parallel. So these are mutually repel each other, so this is quite less stable and it is more stable. Now how this antibonding orbital is here? As we know that if two p orbital participate in bonding formation of molecular orbital, then the bonding orbital will be like this. This is plus minus, so it is plus minus, and the antibonding orbital will be like this. Here plus minus minus plus. Now this sigma bond which has the antibonding orbital in this direction. So this antibonding orbital is empty and this lone pair will be given in this antibonding orbital. Now we'll see here in spiroketal how the anomeric effect will occur and orientation of this antibonding orbital. Here oxygen has one lone pair of electron in this orbital and this bond is in axial position, so it has antibonding orbital in this direction. So these two are parallel, so it will be given easily. On the other hand, if we consider this pyranose ring, then this bond, if we rotate this notebook in this direction, then this is axial and here the lone pair is in this direction and the antibonding orbital has lobe in this direction. This is empty, so this lone pair will be given in this orbital. So anomeric effect will operate two times in this compound, but in case of this compound, here this is axial and the oxygen has one lone pair in this direction and it has the sigma star orbital in this direction, so this lone pair will be given easily. But if we consider this pyranose ring, then we will get here the bond is equatorial and the lone pair is in this direction, whereas the sigma star antibonding orbital is in this direction. This is empty, so these two are not in a position so that the anomeric effect will operate here. So here only one anomeric effect will operate. On the other hand, if we consider this molecule, then for this pyranose ring, this is axial. So here the lone pair is there, and for this bond the antibonding orbital is in this direction, so this will be given easily. On the other hand, if we consider this pyranose ring, then here the p orbital is in this direction, so and this pi star antibond, this sigma star antibonding is in this direction, so this will not operate here because this bond is actually in equatorial position. In this pyranose ring, this bond is actually equatorial position, so here only one anomeric effect will operate. One anomeric effect will operate. And in this compound, here in this pyranose ring, this is equatorial direction, equatorial position, so here the lone pair, the sigma star orbital is in this direction, whereas the lone pair has orbital in this direction, so here the anomeric effect will not operate. And for this pyranose ring, the lone pair has orientation in this direction, and for this sigma bond, the sigma star antibonding orbital is in this direction, so here no anomeric effect will operate. So the only compound here, the two anomeric effect will operate, so this compound is more stable. So guys, if you have any doubt regarding this video, please let me know in comment box, and to get such interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.